Testing 1, 2. Sound check test. Testing 1, 2. Test.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are gathered here at the Cranford Park to celebrate two things in life. One is the independence of India, which we are celebrating the 79th independence from the British. We are celebrating two independences in Goa. One is Indian independence and second is the independence from the Portuguese. That happened on the 19th December 1961. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, to my knowledge, I remember this is one kind of a tradition that we are always played and had it on the 15th August as we celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Assumption, coconut breaking competition. There are two ways of doing it. One is to roll it like a marble on the ground and the other one hits it and breaks it. The one which is broken is out. The one which is not broken is still in the game. And the other one is the other way. You hold the hand, one coconut in the other, and the other one takes it. Wow. Whichever the coconut is broken, the gentleman is out, the second one remains in the game. That is the way of this tradition goes on from back more than 50 years. And I, being from the north, I live in Panjim, Miramar, and we used to, I remember on the 21st of August, they used to be having a feast of harvest in Taligaon, and this was a tradition along with bullfights and the traditional drama which used to take place after the coconut breaking, bullfights and the drama. That is the way the people used to, the olden folks of ours would celebrate the tradition of harvest of the independence. And there is something called patoyos, donens. Those are the traditional sweets which every household in India, in Goa, we would do it on the 15th August and on the 21st of August as well. So ladies and gentlemen, do come see this, how it goes. We will keep you all more posted with more videos, more concepts coming up. And this is organized by the Boys of Santa Cruz and the Mayor says first time in London over here. It will be a great event for the future and the younger generation to keep in mind and keep watching what our Indian traditions, the Goan traditions we bring even though we are in UK. Thank you and love you all. Mr. Shantanu, the leader of council in Hounslow. Put your hands together. Makala, do the honors of presenting the bouquet to Mr. Shantanu, please.
Well done. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Next in line, shall you kindly do the honors of presenting the bouquet to Mr. Hira. He is an upcoming candidate for the Labour Party in this election. So keep in mind, Mr. Hira Dillon, yeah? She's come all the way from Dubai.
Wow.
And only the lucky people get that.
Raji, you're very lucky.
Very
You're
lucky.
very lucky.
Shantanu, I'm sorry, sir.
No, it's fine. I'm lucky anyway.
I just came to know that she's flown in from Dubai. Anyway, it's a great pleasure. The lady, she is flown in from Dubai and she's going to present a bouquet of love, token of appreciation to Pamela, who's the Goan representative in the council. Always behind the Goan community.
Absolutely.
Supporting us left, right and center. I've seen her, not here, only here. I've seen her for the dramas as well, where she has been with our local MP, Seema Malhotra, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right?
Correct.
Yes.
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Argatuka somia, Argatuka somia, Argatuka, Argatuka, Atayani sasna. Tu emakaros loy tu zomokocha, tu emakamos loy tu jitsakri kocha, tu emacamis loy sasnatuka paucha, turi makapavonoi, somya makapavonoi, turi makapavonoi, somya makapavonoi, Argatuka somia, Argatuka dunia, Argatuka, Argatuka, Atayani sasna. Viva! Happy Days, everyone!
Thank you all very much for having both myself and Hero Dylan here with you today. I feel incredibly proud that we have a Goan community in Hounslow, such a vibrant Goan community. And today you've really shown coming together on such an auspicious occasion on the feast, but also for Independence Day, just shows how united you are as a community and how that unity really spreads across the whole of Hounslow. We've got so many different communities living side by side, and I feel so happy that the Goan community is such a big part of that tapestry. So thank you for everything that you've done today. I'm very sorry, I do have to head off for another meeting, but I hope the rest of the day is very good. Whoever's winning at the shootout is my team, obviously. But enjoy the rest of the day, and thank you very much for having both of us.
Thank you so much. Glad you could make it.
Oh, sorry.
It's a wonderful event, and all of you here together. It's nice to see you, and especially supporting Labour Party. That's even better. And very happy Independence Day to all of you, and congratulations.
Thank you very much. All right. Utilize the tiebreaker. But we convert that as a competition among us.
Nice.
So that's how we do. That's
And I
one
bet
of
you
the-
win every time.
Yeah, eh?
I bet you win.
Try to. But anyway, that's one of the thing what we do.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then there's a coconut breaking tradition. My colleague will explain you
Yeah,
how
yeah.
it works as well.
Sure.
So that's what is the plan now at the moment.
That's fine.
And there's something else in the pipeline, which is the volleyball game as well. If the people turn up, then we might have a volleyball
Yeah.
contest as well. Like among us only, our community.
Yeah.
So that's all the thing what we ended. And then we'll have some snacks as well of our Goan traditional
snacks,
way
everyone loves
snacks,
Goan snacks.
sweets. So
Yep.
let's see how it goes.
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
And thanks once again for
Thank
all
you.
your
No,
support.
no,
yeah?
thank you.
Thanks for your presence now.
No, absolute
Hope you'll
pleasure.
have a good time with
Absolute
us.
pleasure.
All right. Face of Our Lady today. She went directly to heaven, as you know, and we follow that tradition. Based on that tradition, आम्ही जायत्यो वस्तू केल्या ज्यो आम्ही फेस्तांक आनी हे परबेचेर कोत्तात ते पसून. आमी आयज केल्या पातोळ्यो.
जे जायते फाटी हांवें गोंया कोत्तात ते आमच्या घरांनी पळयल्या
हय.
आनी आयज हांव चड खुशाल लंडनच्या सावन आमी गोंयकार हें ट्रेडिशन अजुनूय दवरून आसा
थंयच अपुरबाय आमची गोंयकारांची घाल आसून पातोळीची पानां हाडून सगल्यांक सपोर्ट करून आनी सप्लाय करून आमचें ट्रेडिशन जागे दवरता. देन वी हॅव सान्नां.
येस
खंयच्याय फुकसांव जावं आमचें घरान काजार जावं लादीन जावं कितेंय जावं सान्नां गरजेची
आनी
जेवणाचे मेजार
सोरपोतेल
तेच ते सान्नाच्या बरोबर सोरपातेल चड बरें लागता.
पूण हिंगासर आमच्यान सोरपोतेल खावंक जायना एट द मोमेंट खावंक जायना स्पोर्ट्स मीट तो दुकराच्या मात खायल्यार सुस्ती जाता
सारकें उलयलो पूण सोरपातेल केन्नाच चुकोन आसतना गोंयकाराचे मेजर आसताच.
जायच
जाय फुडें आमी आयज आमी पोर्चुगीज भावांचो उगडासाक आमी ह्यो जायत्यो डिशी आयज पासून फॉलो करता. डेलिकसी आमच्यो आनी गोंयकारांक त्यो स्वादीक लागता. खूंय वचों आमी पोटाक बरो लागून वो भायल्या गांवांत वचों हे आमी कॅरी करतात सगळी.
सो तुम्हाला स्वतः आमच्या अजूनही पोर्चुगीज ट्रेडिशन थोडी आमच्या गोंयकारांच्या रोखताना
आयज पासून आमच्या जाणटेल्यांनी आमचे शिकवून आमच्या नेणारांक देखून आता आयज पासून ते चालू आसा ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल. ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल पळय हांगा आमी कितें केलां तें लंडनाक बातिका केला.
हो व्हेरी गुड.
बेबिंका, the only Portuguese cake which is loved by everyone around the world.
And it is fried layer by layer.
Oh yeah, that's a hard work, man, but it tastes good. Vinagre, never
That's
goes
my
wrong. Never
That's
goes
my
wrong. Bulinas,
Tell me about it.
that's it. That's the woman's favorite. My wife loves bulinas. Then we have those.
ही जाल्यार जाय ते पाटी काजरां कडेन बीन जाय ती पयले.
बाबा,
आणि घरान करूंकूच जाय.
दोस आसप म्हणजे एक घराची दोश कशी. So when you do
Sweetness
those,
of the house.
yes, that's what it exactly is about. Then we have our traditional pancake. एका कितें
माणक्यो.
म्हणटा माणक्यो.
माणक्यो.
माणक्यो तितून कितें पडटा आमी चून गोड घालून नेबो
With a black cup of tea.
इवनिंग
आणि
सारकें
रोस्टी जाल्यार एकदम बरें.
आवय चड आपुरबायची सारकी गोडाची सान्नां कळ्ळें तुका न्हू गोडाची सान्नां
हे सारकें तुका चड गरजेचें.
वय हे आमी ट्रेडिशनल सगळे हांगा इंट्रोड्यूस करून लोकांक आमी एक दाखोवंक आता की गोंयकारपण आमचे आयज पासून आमचे उमेदीन वय रोगतान आणि फेस्ताचे परबो आमचे पळय आहा ते अजून आमी सांबाळून दवरता. नो मॅटर वेर वी आर स्टँडिंग वेर वी आर गोइंग वी कॅरी देम विथ अस ऑलवेज विथ लव.
With love. With
Yeah.
love and a blessing of Almighty.
Let's enjoy the sports mix, John. Hope
And
everybody
let's-
will have the good time.
Let's hope more crowd is coming up.
Let's go to our
Not
valley.
all the families.
Yes,
That all the
yes,
guests
yes,
come.
definitely looking
And-
forward. We'll go to our valued guests and let them introduce to our cuisine, delicacy.
Yes, please. Yeah, please. Let's do that.
Yeah. So, kuch to mita, I mean, we have to do us.
Yeah.
And for that reason, we have something called, I'll introduce one thing at a time for you.
Yeah.
There's something called patoyo. These are the leaves, special leaves with aroma.
That is basically from the turmeric leaves.
Oh, okay.
All right?
If
It
you
gives
get the fresh turmeric and you put it in the ground,
Yeah.
as it grows up during the summer, you'll get those leaves.
the green leaves, long leaves.
Uh-huh.
And then inside it is stuffed with rice flour and jaggery and coconut.
Wow.
So mostly all the delicacies which are left by the Portuguese traditions are made of coconut,
Yep.
dry coconut,
Yep.
jaggery,
Yep.
eggs,
Yep.
and I'll explain you one by one what are those
Cool.
and how they call them. Like patoyo, I already introduced to you. Then we have sanna, which is like your idlis, what we do.
Idlis.
Okay, yeah.
But then this is made with the, traditionally it is made with the toddy vinegar. But we don't get that toddy vinegar over here.
No.
Or toddy we don't get.
We can't
Yeah,
have
yeah.
coconut trees.
So,
here.
Yeah.
So we do it differently over here.
Yeah.
All right. Then this will you find in every household whenever there is a celebration.
Okay.
And every joint, like how every outlet in the town or city, you'll find bebinca. It's a traditional cake, Portuguese, made up of 7 layers, and each layer is baked individually on top of it. And it
Okay.
takes hours to bake that traditional cake. And the taste. Now, the ingredients mostly are coconut milk
Yep.
and eggs, and that's how it goes. That's
And the
it.
flour.
And the
flour.
flour.
And the flour.
Normal flour.
Rice flour.
No,
Oh, rice flour. Rice
Yeah.
and
So
the butter.
every layer
butter.
and
So you
ghee,
cook every single layer.
every single layer
Individually.
individually and top
Quite
of
a lot of
it.
work,
It's a
yeah.
lot of work, and the taste is what. That's all it is. Then we have pinagre, we call them.
Yep.
It is like they are not meat. They are also jaggery, flour, rice flour. And what we do is we roast the rice.
Yeah.
And then we grind it.
Okay.
Oh, that's how it got the flour, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
mix it with coconut and jaggery.
Yeah.
And that's you get the sweet.
Okay.
This is also hard work. This is called dos. Now every tradition, and especially in the Catholic religion, okay, whenever we have celebrations like weddings or engagement or anything, we mark the occasion with this sweet.
Okay.
And this, we also make them as individual.
It mostly comes in the shape of a diamond.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we also put them in plate. It's
Okay.
also a token of appreciation
Yeah.
to the family we
Yeah, yeah,
exchange as well. So this
Like
is
we
also
do
the
mithai.
same.
Yes.
Yes.
Same thing, yeah.
So how
Like
you
kaju
do
katli.
a wedding
Yeah, yeah,
mithai?
yeah.
How you do wedding mithai? And you
yeah.
send a box to the groom's house. You send a
Yeah,
box
yeah.
to the bride's house. So when they start, they mark the celebration of the wedding, the beginning
yeah,
of it, by preparing this traditional dosh.
Yeah.
And it is then one serving is sent to the groom's house,
Yeah.
then to the girl's house, and
an
then
exchange
it's an
of,
exchange
yeah.
of
Yeah.
So this is the traditional one.
So to mark the occasion, that's
And
how we do.
Again, coconut is the base for all
Everything,
our
everything.
Coconut, jaggery, everywhere.
Now, we go quick. On this one is the same,
Yep.
but only additional is the jaggery stuffing.
Okay.
Jaggery and coconut to make it more sweeter.
Sweeter.
All right. Now this is an evening snack which you find every now and then in every household of the Goan community, and it is called the pancakes, the traditional pancakes.
Pancakes, yep.
But only thing is, it's stuffed with our
Coconut.
Coconut and jaggery.
Exactly. So you got it there now. You understood anyway.
Yeah.
Now we would ask you kindly to taste whichever one by one at a time you like to taste.
Oh God.
All right. Take a plate, please, and it will be a great honor. I'm telling you, it won't go wrong. You got that? You won't go wrong, and you won't lament of tasting any one of those.
What if I taste all of them?
Absolutely, that's what we want. That's what we want. Please.
I'm going to start with the layer one.
Yes.
That's really soft.
Yeah,
is,
it's
it is.
really soft and tasty.
It's not too sweet either.
No, it's
It's very nice.
average. That's how it makes.
So none of the sweets are very sweet, like the proper mithai types. They're not like that.
They are not
Because
loaded with
the-
sugar.
Yeah,
They are
they're
not
not, they're
loaded
not
with
at all.
sugar.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Natural.
The only thing loaded with sugar, I would say, major is in those.
Oh, is it?
That needs sugar. Sorry, can I take? Confirm, so I'm on the right path.
Which ones did you make?
Oh, I do make at home this one, but I don't do it this time. I didn't do it.
Take two.
Yeah.
That one and that one.
Yep.
Let's try it. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
So please help us.
Guys, we're the only ones eating.
No. All the ladies, please. All the ladies also join them. Huh?
Ladies, kids, come up.
Fine. Too big. Yeah. Just try it.
It's nice.
But मीठा.
बहुत अच्छा है. It's very
Now I
nice
know कि शादी में क्यों करते हैं.
because of that. Yeah. Let's try the patoyo also.
I'll try the pato.
Yeah. It's nice.
आप भी लो ना.
हाँ, I'll take.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have got a small table of snacks or sweets set it up for you guys. Please, requesting everyone to come up and taste the sweets on this auspicious occasion of the Feast of Our Lady of Assumption over here, which is organized by the boys from Santa Cruz and the Mercedes, the sports meet. And this is the sweetness what these boys have in their hearts. They want to share it with each and every one of you. So requesting everyone to kindly come and taste the sweets what these families of these boys have gone and did it for us.
So what do you think about the sweets?
I love them. I love them. They're so different to what I'm used to, being from North India. There's much sweeter. Obviously, coconut isn't necessarily the base. So, but they're all, even though the core ingredients are the same, actually the taste is very different in all of them. So I love it.
Would you like to learn the recipe of at least one of them?
All of them.
All of them, yeah?
But next time I bring my wife.
Yeah,
She's a better cook than I am.
Okay. What about you, sir? Do you like it?
Yeah, all that seems to be very nice. Not very sweet and excellent taste.
Yeah, count of three, yeah?
Okay.
Anthony. Guys, please put your hands together as Mr. Chandru takes a kick in the...
This is a lot of pressure.
Here we go.
Sorry. Now the second shot is going to.
Now
दूसरे side is Excellent work, baby.
thank you, Mr. Hira.
Okay, Samuel, nice meeting you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Thank you very
much.
much.
Yeah.
Take care. Lovely meeting you. See you soon. See you soon. Take care.
He's one of the main men behind this.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
This is all you read it.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Nice, very good.
Gladstone, yeah.
Get the community together.
Yeah, trying to slowly, gradually they'll come, the participant and everything, and then we start. It's too hot now. Yeah, too hot. The sun has to go down.
So this is all signed by 7 Notes band members, yeah? And anything in front? No. Just okay. What's your name?
Jade.
Then which part of Goa are you from?
Miramar.
Miramar. So you are a big fan of Seven Notes?
Yeah,
Which song you like? there?
I like Dukota and I like Soro.
Okay. Can you sing just one line of that? Dukota or Soro? Anyone?
Di makasora di makasora di makasora di Soro makazai Soro makazai Soro makasora di.
Okay. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Rekha.
Rekha. And you have come specially from Dubai for this
Dubai,
event,
yes,
yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Have you been to UK before?
Yeah, many times.
Okay. So are you here for like a holiday or
Yeah, holiday.
holiday? Yeah? So what do you think? You like Dubai or UK?
Those of you who have just come and
Dubai you like? Oh my
please
god.
start.
You are FC Goa supporter?
Yeah, in Goa.
So what's your name?
My name is Joseph Dias.
Yeah. And which part of Goa are you from?
Taligaon and
Requesting all the
Malacca.
teams to come and register yourself.
तो गोली डाय मार 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 रे
Coconut breaking. We can start because we are planning to start the penalty shootouts at least in another 10 minutes time possible. So if you are there and you want to take part in either of
Say
it,
hello.
penalty shootouts or the coconut.
Hey, which team is this?
Real Madrid.
You're a Real Madrid supporter? You're playing today for the tiebreaker? You're playing for any team in the school or college?
Yeah, for my school.
You play for the school? And you are from Goa, right?
Yeah.
Which part of Goa are you from?
School.
Vasco? Only team मरे. वैस. ते टीमीचे नाव कितें?
Ambrose.
आणि वास्को मरे.
Kasauli.
तू कांसावले आणि तू कोच.
Coach financer
तू लहान असताना फुटबॉल खेळतालो? कांसावले. इंटरव्हिलेज. आणि आता रोनाल्डो गोंय येवपाचो आहा ना?
गाय येवपाचो
हय? तू पळोवंक येतलो ताका?
ना ना हांव हिंगा आहा न्हू आनी कितें कोन्न येतलो
ओके. नाव कितें तुजें?
कॉस्मी
कॉस्मी फ्रॉम कांसावले.
कांसावले.
This is Tommy. Tommy, you are playing today?
I've come with my friends तेंच्या बरोबर येयला.
Supporter with the Vasco team.
Yeah, वास्कोकार बरं आमी विवा वास्कोकार I might shoot.
But you used to play volleyball, no?
No. I never played. We used to play football. तो जाणा मरे Destier आमचे. I never played football.
Destier,
There was no volleyball in Vasco as such.
Yeah. But football is main,
Football
no?
was too much. We
Football.
had so many stars in Vasco, man.
Yeah.
Lawrence Gomes, Derek Pereira, Prakash Naik, big names, man, in Vasco. Volleyball was never present in Vasco, never. सगळे वास्कोकार फुटबॉलर मरे आकांत सारखे. World famous.
And you are from?
I'm from Destier.
Destero, yeah? Destero, Vasco.
Destier Vasco, very famous. Vasco is famous for the big theatres also, not only footballers.
Yeah.
We have Tony Sachs, Rome Tony, my daddy, Conception, Greg, Sabina, ex.
So your dad was the one of the
Alphonse,
trio, no?
Kings, yes.
Trio. What was the trio called?
They were not. They didn't have any.
No, the
title.
names. They used the names, yeah.
Conception, Nelson, Anthony.
Yeah.
Then when I joined after Conception Uncle, then somebody thought of giving us a title. That time we were known as Trio Kings.
Trio
and
Kings.
That continued.
Okay.
Before that, आमचा डॅडी बी आसताना तांकां Trio Kings केन्ना म्हणनाले. तांकां ट्रियोचे अस्ताद म्हणटाले. That was what they used to put on the handbills and all. That's what I know. And then it.
I have seen them only once in the Hanuman Theatre, Mapsa, in the 80s or 90s. But I remember when they used to come, people used to clap a lot, and then they used to call them every time. Yeah, like 5 times, 6 times.
That was their fourth, because they fought for Goa.
And mostly political songs.
All, not mostly, all were
All,
political
yeah.
songs.
All. Okay.
त्या तेंपार आमचे डॅडी आहा तांकां भितर उडयताले जायते पाटी कन्सप्शन नेल्सन एंड दॅट टायम सेन्सर आहलो आनी जायते आहले नाव खूब बदल कोणाक पडला रे आल्बम
नाल्लांची फुटबॉल न्हू नाल्लांची फुटबॉल आमकां मारून गावता फुटबॉल
भाऊ जे कोण नाल फोडी गेल्या ते आमकडे नाल हा तेच घेऊन तुम्ही ये नाल फोडपाची गेम खेळपाची तुमच्या हाडला पळय तुम्ही मातशे तुमच्या बॅगान धरचे मिक्स करचे न्हू आणि आमचे पळय नाल आसा तेच घेवन ही गेम आमी चालू करतले आणि जे कोण आता कोण अजून ग्राउंडाच्या भितर सोदतात आणि जे कोण पेनल्टी मारूंक सोदतात तांणी तुमचे टिमीचें नांव दिवचें रजिस्टर करचें आणि जे कोण नाल फुडें खेळूंक सोदतात तांणी तुमचें नांव दिवचें बेगीनूच सो आमच्यांनी ही गेम पेनल्टी शूटआउट्स आणि कोकोनट ब्रेकिंग चालू करूंक जाता देव बरें करूं तूं लायनीचेर आसूंक जाय इफ यू इवन वन स्टेप आउट ऑफ द लायन आनी तुवें येवन तर आडयली जायत इट्स अ रिटेक कळना तुका सो गोलकीपर ट्राय टू रिमेन ऑन द लायन्स ओके लायनीचे मातसो पासून पांय मुखार येयलो आनी तुवें आडायली जाल्यार ती रिटेक जातली ओके या रेफरी
मस्जिद आहे बघी मॉक्सीच्या पुढे मस्जिद
म्हजें नांव जॅक्सन कायदो
आनी गांवान वयतलो
हांव गांवान गोवा व्हॅली जुवारी
जुवारी मरे आतां ते गोवा व्हॅली आक्षे कुट्टाय जाता न्हू
हय
हातीन फोडटा ते
हातीन फोडटाय हय
सो हांवें ते दिसा व्हिडियो पळयल्लो मरे एक तो सेंट लॉरेन्स फेस्त आसता न्हू
अक्षय हय
तेका जाता तो
अक्षय सेंट लॉरेन्स फेस्त 10 तारीख फोडटाय ते वर्सा कोण फोडटाय 10 तारीख फोडटाय सेंट लॉरेन्साचो फेस्त दिसा फोडटाय ते कंपल्सरी करपाक कित्याक आदी सुद्दां ते नाल्ल फोडीत येयले ते आतां थांबोवन तेंनी चालूच दवरना आदलें ट्रेडिशन चालू
कितले वर्सां जातले
50 वर्सां जातली तेंची
आनी वाडो कसो
वाडो तो दुकऱ्यान म्हणटा थिंगा अक्षी दुकऱ्यान म्हणल्यार फेमस अक्षी सारको
आनी खूब लोक येता न्हू
खूब लोक येता आनी पळय होले नाल्ल आसताय
पूण हे नाल्ल ते घरा कडेन वचून हाडटा न्हू ते
आतां आदी लोक मरे नाल्ल रोवन काडटाले
पूण तेका कितें ट्रीक आहा गोट करपाक
गोट करपाक म्हणजे तेका सारें मारपाक कोण कांय घालनाय ते सारें घालनासतना ते नाल्ल गोड जाताय
सामकें
सारकें गोड जाताय
आनी ते फोडटाना ते पोंत यूज कोत्ता काय
ना तुका आतां फोडटना जमनी सोडून मारताय न्हू सोडून मारताय तेन्ना ते जको जावं तसो नाल्ल मारपाचो अक्षी कितें हातीलो नाल्ल तर सुटोत गेम डिस्क्वॉलिफाय अक्षी फोडटाय
आनी हातीन फोडटा तो
तेंचो रूल आसता सो सोडूनय मारूंक जाता नाल्ल आनी हातीन धरूनय मारूंक जाता
ओके
कळ्ळें तुका हातीलो नाल्ल सुटलो जाल्यार डिस्क्वॉलिफाय जाता थोडे वतून आतां हिंगा कितें जाता लंडन पळय ते आमी हातीन मारताय हातीन धरून मारताय नाल्लाचे नाल्ल मारताय
पूण हो कितें लासयलो आहा
ना हो चड टेप जालो नाल्लाचो न्हू आनी तो कावो जाला सो ते धोत्ताय नाल्ल उदकान बा घालून तेका मातशें कांठोल कशें उदकान ओलो कुडको बा घालून ते धोत्ताय तशें कांय ना नाल्ल
तूं गोंया हेवला टोर्नामेंट
गोंयांत जायते हेवले टोर्नामेंट
जिखला तूं जिखला
फायनल केन्ना जिखोना आमी 23 तारीख ऑगस्टाचे हिंगा आहा आमचे वेम्बली आहा
ओके
नाल्लाचें आहा वेम्बली आहा आतां हिंगा आतां फर्स्ट टायम जालें हे फर्स्ट टायम कोत्ताय दिसता म्हाका हिंगा हे फर्स्ट टायम कोत्ताय हय देखून आमी लंडन हुंय जावं नाल्लाचें कितें आसत आमी नंबर 1 आमी पयले थिंगा
ट्रेडिशन कळ्ळें
हय आमी उमेदीचे गोंय कळ्ळें आमी कामाक बामाक हॉलिडे बा घालून सारके नाल्लाचें म्हणून आमी पिशे गोंय आमकां जेम पडना बाबा नाल्लाचो टोर्नामेंट केन्ना आसता तो
सो आज तुजे कितले टिमी आहा
हय
हिंगा
आतां तुवें पयलें आसतलें 10 दीक गेमींग आयले पाटान रेडी टू फायट पूण 10 दीक गेमींग आयले आमी नाल्लाची आतां आमी न्हू येतले गेमी येतले भुरगे जायते येवपाचे आहाय रेडिंगचे येवपाचे आहाय भुरगे स्विंडनचे येवपाचे आहाय हॉन्सलूचे सावथ हॉलचे जायते भुरगे येवपाचे आहाय आतां फोडपाक नाल्ल
On the goal post 1 we need Goa boys and Mani Talks 1.
part of goal? Benavli. Team हा तुमच्या आईस?
टीम हा हेडपा गेला
करपा गेला.
नाव सांग मला.
कोच तुमचं?
सूट घालना.
कोण वो मॅनेजर? स्पेशल नालो
पावर नाल डेरिंग नाव डेरिंग
नाल्लाचें नांवूच डेरिंग तूं कोया मारता बेश्ट दाखय मारता तर खंयच्या पोतार मारता
एक एक नाल्लाक 3 सायड आसता एक नाल्लाची एक सायड आसता हुंयच्यान मारपाची
ओके
सो हुंयचो नाल हुंयच्या गांवांतलो हाडला तेजेर डिपेंड
ते गांवांतले दुसरे भाशेन नाल आसता
दुसरे भाशेन
ओके आतां हो समज हांवें ह्या हातीन हो दवरलो हय तूं खंयच्या सायडीन मारतलो
दत्ता तेन्ना हो दत्तलो
हय हिंगा
ही सायड बॉक म्हणटा फाटली सायड ही दिवप न्हय बेगीन फक्त
तूं गोंया खंय चल्लो
Just to keep everybody informed, referees
ते तालिगांव पयले जाताले न्हू हे फेस्ताक खंयच्या तरी फेस्ताक जाताले आनी तियातूय जातालो
तियात्र जायते आमची गेमी जाता सामिंगलाची ट्रॉफी
They're still playing the first
तूं
round.
तालिगांवचो
If you would like to take part in the penalty shootouts, kindly
इता
give your entry.
हाडिता पण
हे टायमाचेर दी तांकां दी काड
And S. Kaitan, Saint Kaitan, 1 on goalpost number 2, please. Players, try to be prompt on the goalpost, please, as we are.
This is Angelo Marquez, and after a long time, 1 year.
Oh, Sidonzo, powerful. Jiglo Sidonzo. Jiglo, viva! Kira Paulo, viva!
Kira Paulo!
MOT and Sanogo is on. Good number 1, please. Beijing Black Cow.
व्हॉलीबॉल खेळपाक गेला
Beijing Black Cow.
नाव
Keep your eye around. Please come and see us at the-
स्विंडनसून येले व्हॉलीबॉल खेळतालो तूं पयलो एक प्लेयर हिंगा इंजर्ड जालोलो आहा तेणे डाय मारले आनी
आंब्रोसाचो मनीस
आम्ब्रोस तुमच्या टीमीचें नांव आम्ब्रोस तुमचे कांसावले मरे
कांसावले न्हू तो कांसावले तो रे
तूं आम्ब्रोस टीम खंयसरली
हुंयची मिक्स ब्रदर्स मिक्स ब्रदर्स
पूण एका तुवें आतां एम्बुलन्स आपयले
ना
एम्बुलन्स
एम्बुलन्स आपयले पूण ते दुसरी वखदां दिता म्हाका एम्बुलन्स
नावशेचो नाल
हो खंयचो नाल
नावशेचो
नावशेच आनी हो
एकूच
हो तालिगांव फूड उदीक पडटा
Libraman and S. Kaitan to be ready on goalpost number 2, please. Kira 4.
ऑलरेडी किया मुंड मार दोन उतर
Boys, we are paging you all.
बरेच चले सारखे
So
सगळे
try to be at the goalpost when we call you all because
गोंय असल्या भाशेन
गोंय
we will
आसलेलो
speak once and if you are not there to report, we will disqualify you
व्हॉलीबॉल
guys.
होता
All right?
ना, ना, ना.
Keep that
Start
in
जावपा
mind.
आता.
Referee's decision is final.
चली चोवपाक थँक्यू
मला ते उत्तर बरोबर आहे आणि हा कॅन्सल मार कोण आता मारपाक नाही मार
Patan and Kurmaya boys to be ready on goalpost number 1. Eskatan and Liberman to be ready on goalpost number 2, please.
त्या तूच मार
This is the second round. We are not going to call you all again and again. Only 3 rounds are working and that's it.
तूच मार
तू मार मारे होय.
Patan and Kurmaya boys to be ready on goalpost number 1. Goalpost number 1. Baba, goalpost number 1.
हावजी लागल्या कितें करता तो गोंय वयतलो पयशे घेवन
कित करतलो
भया कितले काडले टिकेटी
Mani Talks has taken over.
हो कोण बँडांक बीन वाजयता कितें रे
होय आता डीजे आजयता
डीजे तू
डीजे मॅन
ते नाव कितें नाव कितें आनी खूंय चल्लो गोंय
नावेली
नावेली तूं
हांव तालिगांव
तालिगांव सो हो तुजो ओन नात
होय
हा पण तूं आतां म्हणजे टुर्नामेंटा भायर खेळटाले सो ते मारताना खंयची सायड मारता तूं
हांव पयलीं मारता
हय हिंगा मारता ओके नाव कितें
रोमानो
रोमानो फ्रॉम तालिगांव
गोंय बाबा केन्ना 6 तारीख गोंय
ते सारखे
हांव गेलो मरे गाडी मिस रे
And ladies and gentlemen, can you guys to put your hands together for this wonderful lady who is working with the Goan community tirelessly throughout the union councils of Hounslow. Requesting Pamela to say a few words on this auspicious occasion for us.
Hey Jackson.
Thank you everyone and good evening. Wish you all a very happy feast and happy Independence Day. And thank you so much Savio for organizing this. I can see you guys are having a real good time. So hope you guys continue having a good evening. Enjoy yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, Pamela, for these wonderful words. And as you support us today and you were supporting us yesterday years, we will look forward more support from you as the near future. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, enjoy the rest of the evening with us. Thank you. Baba Tyson, apo da Mike Tyson anu. Mas Tyson kon hato yo.
रेकॉर्डिंग करता
Libraman and Madonna 5 on goalpost number 1.
What is this cutlass palm?
Happy feast and happy Independence Day. My name is Kiara.
And which part of Goa are you from?
I'm from Raya and Rashol and Kolva.
See the sky.
Are you Man United supporter?
Yes.
Who is your favorite player?
Bruno Fernandes.
Bruno Fernandes?
Yes.
So Bruno Fernandes is from Goa? Because Fernandes is a surname from Goa.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Slime.
And you play football?
Yes.
Please keep your tickets intact in sets of 3. Do not split them up.
बाबा तुमच्या हाऊसीचे तिकेटी पिंजून दुसऱ्या लागीन दिनाकात तिन्ही तिकेटी एकच कडेन जॉईंट आसा समजाय
आले 17 38 46 68 and 90 and the full house goes to Mina China. Give her a big hand.